Oh, 6 facts about life you won't believe you didn't already know, from practical tips to amazing facts. These are the things everyone should know, including you. Number 1. Women have more pain receptors than men. They also have a higher tolerance for pain than men do, according to Time. Number 2. There's a brewery in Japan that makes beer from elephant dung. The brewery, St. Gallen, produces a beer called Unkono Kuro, made with coffee beans that have passed through an elephant. It's a huge hit, according to Fox News. Number 3. High heels were first designed for men. Though closely identified as a female fashion staple today, high heels were first designed for men. At the end of the 16th century, Persian-inspired style was all the rage in Europe, according to the J. Paul Getty Museum, and heels were seen as being virile and masculine, and a great way to boost your height a few inches. Number 4. Young adults are more likely to be living with their parents than on their own. Don't have the cash for rent or a down payment? You're not alone. For the first time in over 130 years, more people between 18 and 34 are living with their parents than on their own or with a partner. No5. The size of your social circle is related to the size of your brain. A scientist at Oxford discovered that the size of a person's orbito-medial prefrontal cortex, the part of a brain that identifies other people's moods and personalities, can predict the size of that person's social circle. The average prefrontal cortex averages out to around 147.8 friends in a social network. Number 6. Sharp knives are safer than dull knives. Sharp knives aren't actually as likely to cut you as dull ones. Because a sharp knife easily slices through food, you only have to apply a small amount of pressure when using them. This means that you're more likely to cut the item you're intending to cut, and not your hand.